Tracker weather starts now with meteorologist Eric Johnson.
Well, over the next week, we have a couple of chances of snow, so we will be piling on to what we've seen so far this season. And I did want to take a look back. We should be at about 60 inches. That's our 30-year average here in Great Falls. We're just coming up on 47 inches, so we are a little bit below normal, and Havre is a little bit closer to our normal, which is just under 34 inches. We're sitting at 32, and Helena actually looking at above average precipitation. We typically expect nearly 30 inches of snow, and we're over 40 at this point. So some good moisture around Helena. We saw some of that snow yesterday in Lewistown and Helena. Most of that melted throughout the day as temperatures warmed into the 40s to around 50 degrees in Havre, and temperatures this morning are pretty chilly. We're sitting at 25 in Lewistown and in Havre this morning, but lots of sunshine ahead for the day. Just make sure you're bundled up this morning, but by the afternoon, we're up to about 60 degrees in Helena. And those winds will be lighter in Great Falls than what we saw this weekend, so today's going to feel really nice with lots of sunshine in store as high pressure is building into the Treasure State, and that will be moving through over the next couple of days, keeping us nice and dry and pretty quiet weather. Hardly a cloud in the sky for today. And going into tomorrow, we'll see some high clouds starting to develop, and temperatures are warming up significantly as southerly winds will start to pick up. But then we'll see a cold front dropping in from Canada on Wednesday. We'll start to see a little bit of snow, especially for western parts of the High Line and parts of the Rocky Mountain front. And then that snow is going to become more widespread going into Wednesday night. Some of us will start out as a little bit of rain in the lower elevations, but most of us will switch over to some snow. You can see areas on the High Line hardly looking at any precipitation from this storm, but we will see some of that steady snow Wednesday night into Thursday morning, so it could be very slick to start out our Thursday morning, and then that storm is going to push to the south towards I-90 throughout the morning, and we will start to clear out here in central Montana. But some of our computer models are showing some decent snow totals here in central Montana. The heaviest snow does look to be over the Continental Divide, but some of that could work its way onto the Rocky Mountain front and across parts of central Montana as well. This model showing about 1 to 3 inches from Great Falls out to Lewistown, and that's where we'll see some of those heavier totals. Going down towards Helena, that snow comes in a little bit later, but we will still see several inches of snow piling up in our mountains. Nice and light wind for today. Most areas seeing wind gusts below 20 miles an hour. Gets a little bit stronger into tomorrow, but still overall pretty light winds across the area. Temperatures today into the low 60s for Helena. We're going to see a lot of sunshine across the entire area. 61 for Fort Benton and Great Falls, and a little cooler out in Lewistown, 52 today. And up on the High Line, we've got a beautiful day ahead, although we are still tracking a few light snow showers in northeastern Montana. Those will clear out quickly, and we'll look at some sunshine this afternoon. Temperatures warm up to about 72 tomorrow. It'll be a beautiful spring day. And then Wednesday, that's where we have the chance of some showers throughout the afternoon, eventually transitioning over to some snow, but still hanging on to that sunshine this weekend. Easter Sunday, we do run the risk of a few showers. Temperatures will still be pretty mild, close to 60 degrees. And for Helena, we're up to 73 for tomorrow, and then dropping into the 40s on Thursday. So very cold air for the middle of the week before we warm back up this weekend. Here's a live look at that Great Falls Clinic iCam. Beautiful sunrise.